We're gonna make Korean corn dogs. Bring the fun, set the night right. Shining through the city with a little fucking sun. I'm a like dynamite. Welcome back to Amanda's kitchen. We're gonna make Korean corn dogs today. Fun stuff. Yeah, I'm doing this by myself again. Just like I was with the coffee. No one wants to make food with me anymore. Anyways, I found a recipe off of YouTube, and it's a vegan one, obviously, because I'm vegan. And we're gonna, I hope this is enough flour. I think it is, I think it is. We need a cup and 2 tablespoons, but here's the problem. This is a tiny bag of flour. Oh, I got a cup, never mind. We good in the hood? I don't know how to explain things when I'm cooking. We're just gonna do this. You're just gonna have to follow along. And we're just gonna have to do life, you know? I need my milk. We got some oat milk here for liquid courage. I hate these things. Oh my God, it's really, oat milk smells weird. I think it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Don't give me that. It's not expired milk. Not again. 11/10/2020. We're good. We're good. We're good. Oh God, do you have like a glass measuring cup? Just like a glass measuring cup for liquids.
Like that, but glass?
Yeah. Oh, just kidding. I didn't see this here.
Oh my Lord, Amanda. Amanda Panda, what are we gonna do?
I don't know anymore. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. There's a ghost in here. Just say, yeah, probably. That's baking powder. It looks like cocaine. It probably is cocaine. Not gonna lie, filming in front of David's a little weird, but I just kind of did it. Had to make my vegan egg off to the side because we needed to make sure it wasn't cocaine. Anyways, 3/4 of a cup of milk. Do you have a small? I don't know what 3/4 of a cup is on this. I'm not smart enough to know these things. I guess I could use these, couldn't I? I don't know. I always thought they were separate for, you know, dry and wet ingredients. Thank y'all. Oh, there was one over here. So 3/4, that's what I said, right? Yep, 3/4. We'll do 2 for now because I don't want it to be too watery. Yeah, just uno egg for you. I have baking powder over here. You just need 2 tablespoons of that. I'm gonna pour my little...
I just put it in a cup?
The egg? No, you can just plop it right in.
Oh.
I only did this because mine's special. I would put 2/4 right now because you don't want it too watery. Maybe do 1/4 first. I'm just gonna zoom in on this action since I don't have a cameraman anymore this time. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I think it needs to be, you know, smooth. That's enough. 3/4 is too much.
Okay, well luckily Amanda's probably just gonna have a song playing during this.
Yeah. I think that should be hopefully thick enough. It might be. Okay, I think
Yours is pretty
that
thick.
should.
Mine's
Is it?
thick.
Whoa.
Yeah, mine's very... I did only 2 too.
Did you put a cup of flour in there too?
Yeah.
Oh, you put a 1/2 cup. Did I put a 1/2 cup too?
Well, yours
I think I did. Oh, I think because of your egg. It probably has more liquid in it than my fake egg does. We'll just stick this in the freezer for now. We're gonna use Daiya cheese for mine. Des got cheese sticks.
And cheese dogs.
Yeah,
no. I got Coke all over me.
So you don't have to cut yours. You could just stick yours on a thing. Because then we have to put them in the refrigerator. No! Never! Gotta cut this. Are they thawed out? Because they're frozen.
Oh God, I'm done.
Her cheese sticks. Give me. They're frozen. We'll make them chunky. Little chunky.
Yeah, just like my favorite Bruno Mars song.
Dude, mine's safe to still look up and see them.
Oh no, I keep missing.
Can me and David watch TikToks on the TV?
Yeah. I think I got it. I went.
Mom, is it okay?
Mom, is it okay?
You only get half an hour of TikTok per day.
I broke it. Oh no. It's fine. It's fine. You gotta insert it slowly.
I don't know how to do that.
Okay, that one went in nicely. Look at the long stick it has. I went ahead and used some Havarti cheese so that it's a little spicy. And now I have my stickies. Now we just put them in the freezer so that they're cold. Because everyone said that you want your items as cold as possible. Hey, shut the fuck up. I'm just kidding. Okay, we'll be back. So I was stupid and didn't record before doing this first one, but I think I got it. Put it in the freezer for a little too long, so it's a little chunky. I'm not doing this correctly like everybody else did. They put it in a cup and then they dipped it in, you know, but we're not being innovative here. Na 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 hey. Na 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 hey. Light it up with dynamite. 'Cause I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Shining through the city with a little fucking soul. I'm a light. This is us. Just kidding, I don't think that's what he says.
Yeah, I just want to try 2.
And see how it
Yeah.
goes. Boom! Another one.
For the best.
Yes, everything at 400 we hope for the best. And it's on. And now we wait. It's air fryer. They're not gonna get on fire. I want Sprite. And now we wait. I don't know what I do while we wait.
Play with the panko.
Yep. I'm like a child. It's my sandbox.
Time for a segment called What's on Gabe's Water Bottle? Well, thank you for asking. Hey, hello Loopy Nation. So this is my boy Inosuke from Demon Slayer. I also have a tiny little RM sticker right there as well. Got my boy Reinhardt drinking some boba, fiddle folk, there we go. And got some Billie Eilish lyrics on the bottom here. Got my boy J-Hope, bowl of ramen, which I wish I was eating right now. And yeah, that's it.
Figgy fucked up. Let's do an ASMR. We'll do ASMR. Hey, shut the fuck up. I'm trying to do ASMR here. We're gonna open this In-N-Out. What is this? Pepper packet. All right, comment below what else you want me to open up. Yeah, none of the recipes called for an air fryer. They just called for actual deep frying. Ooh, here, you can do it, and I'll just record you.
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh no!
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, that one had too much on it. Wait, why do I need 2? I don't need 2. Because I'm in the stars tonight. So let me not put so much batter on. Shining through the mozzarella. Oh, I want some more. So let me cook it up like mozzarella.
BTS don't sue us, it's copyright law because it's parody.
You could just copyright claim it. I swear you're not going to get any money out of my videos, but go ahead. You already did. Let me light it up like dynamite.
Hey,
Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Hey, I think we failed at this one. This is what Desiree's ended up looking like. Oh, it's coming off the stick. No, man. And then this is what mine looked like.
I'll eat all the stupid.
Honestly,
It just kind of fell off. Maybe a deep frying them might be a better idea.
Yeah,
But
air
like,
fryer.
you know, I mean, we tried here. This is gonna be really.
A little longer?
oh, Amanda's didn't even work.
It's not even melted on the inside. Do not use Daiya cheese. That shit doesn't fucking melt properly. But what is it? They're not bad. Here, you eat yours. Okay. Oh, look it. She's got it stringy.
To be fair, mine's string cheese, so.
Yeah, also, you know.
I need sugar, man.
If we deep fried it, it would have been a wetter outside, so you would have been able to.
Moisture outside, if you will.
Gross. I don't know if you can air fry Korean corn dogs. We can always try this again another day. And yeah. Oh. Okay. This one was a fail. Let's be honest here. Yeah. I guess thanks for watching my fail here. I'm just gonna go eat my sad corn dogs now. Okay. Mine are actually fun. Well, that's good to know, Des. I'm gonna eat what we have here and we'll figure out what to do with these legs. Okay. Bye, guys.
There's not even like sugar on it. It's literally just cheese with panko breadcrumbs on it.
Yo, the panko is probably drier than the text she got from other guys the other day.
And her not wrong. Gabriel decided to make. I'm dying. There's cheese in the middle.
Hey guys, Amanda here. So Gabriel decided to make. Oh, it sounds weird me using your name. Gabriel decided to make some real hot dogs. Uh-oh.
Good Lord, Amanda!
I joked more last night than this.
Are you joking? Ask the child if they're joking. Are you joking?
I'm glad no one caught that. The leftover batter we put.
And panko.
And panko we put in together, mixed it all together, and now we're gonna put it in here.
We're probably gonna make some kind of fucked up pancake, but we're gonna find out.
It'll be crunchy.
It's gonna be very crunchy.
Let's roll it in sugar.
Whoa!
We put cheese in it? And how shall we? I guess if you just make it like a pancake.
Yeah.
Well, we could just wait.
Yes, but then we're gonna flip it, right? So this looked kind of cool because it looked almost like a little crepe, but then I don't know exactly.
Then I fucked it up.
This is
This is wonderful.
this is what's happening right now, apparently.
Yep.
Update, so it's kind of turning into some weird ass omelet, I guess. It smells good.
Oh.
Well, it literally looks like an omelet of some kind.
And then there's the corn dogs. Those
My
came
corn
out
dog!
alright. So how is it? Oh, you're eating the corn dog.
Has this even cooked all the way?
Mm.
Oh, because it's cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Delicious.
And in case you needed to know what else to do with the leftover batter, don't do anything with it, just throw it away. I think that's about it. Those flowers smell nice. Goodbye.